How are we doing, folks? Welcome back to another bike sport video. And keeping in theme with the last video I put out, I'm going to be reviewing these gloves that I bought just before the lockdown. And these are the RST Tracktech Evo R, with the R for being a race glove apparently. Very nice glove, very comfortable glove, and there's a reason why they're very comfortable as opposed to the Nox hand dryers that you can see just off the picture there. These gloves are entirely made of kangaroo leather, which all good gloves would be. As I said in my last video, that kangaroo is actually stronger inch by inch over cowhide leather. So a lot of really good race gloves or normal street gloves are made from the kangaroo leather because it's a lot stronger, a lot more durable. Yes, these are radioactive orange. Wouldn't be everybody's cup of tea. I bought these gloves by chance up in Crossings in Newry just before the lockdown. They were in the bargain bin, and I likes me a bargain, I does. I likes me a bargain. Now the reason why I went with the orange is twofold. One is that we're only colour in the bin, and two is that I ride a KTM and it is orange and black, or orange and grey, so ties in with the bike. A couple of key features on this glove is each finger has a ribbed section on the knuckle for extra comfort, and it is really nice. Now forgive me for the squeaky and the cracking, as I said, they are new. Nice low profile on the glove compared to the actual Nox with the raised knuckle. Each finger bar the thumb has a vent on it for when you're reaching them speeds, the mental speeds on track, and a little bit of rubber on the top of the fingers, which is actually quite soft. Now on the actual RST website it didn't actually state what thickness the kangaroo leather is, but I'm assuming that it's 0.8 to 1 mil, keeping in line with the other gloves that I have reviewed. The Nox is a 0.8 millimeter, so I can't see it being any. In fact, it actually feels a little bit thicker than the Nox, but that could be because these two fingers and the palm are double layered. Anywhere where there's an impact zone, or the major impact zones, RST has said that these gloves are double layered. Now there's an Aramid lining running through the whole glove, so I'll just show you here on the other one. Let's take this out of the way. An Aramid lining that runs straight through the whole glove, and you can actually see it on the actual glove here where the joins meet. Aramid is a member of the Kevlar family. Whereas Kevlar is stronger, Aramid has stiffer fibres. So Aramid has a remarkable strength to weight ratio, making it ideal for small protection areas such as gloves and little small patches of protection. So it's a really nice touch that the Aramid is running through the whole glove. You can actually see it stitched through the whole glove. The leather is doubled on the palm area and on the first two fingers, so there's 2 layers of actual kangaroo leather on the two fingers here and through the whole palm. It has the actual scaphoid sliders on it, or the SPS protection that Nox uses. Now obviously this is RST's incarnation of it, but the SPS is absolutely amazing, and to be honest with you, the more and more I see it, the more and more I would use it. The only gloves that I have that don't have them is the Held Air and Dry. Now they have a kind of like a Kevlar substance here, but it wouldn't be anywhere near as robust as these RSTs or the Nox hand dryers that are here. The profile of the actual Nox hand dryers is a little bit higher because of this big knuckle terminator scheme. The RST ones are really well padded across the knuckle, and it's extremely padded at the back. This thermoplastic polyurethane TPU is everywhere on the glove. It's really solid glove. To be honest with you, the only difference between this glove and the Nox hand droids would be the cuff. If I show you the cuff on this, it is a double cuff, velcro fastened. As I said, it has the Aramid lining throughout the cuff, but obviously you pull this one over first and then you pull it tight with this one and you end up with that. So it's a nice snug fit. It's quite wide, so you could, in theory, wear it with a textile jacket, but because it's a race glove, more than likely you would be wearing it with a set of leathers. It does have the wrist velcro strap as well. As I said, it is fully kangaroo. The cuff wouldn't be as reinforced as the Nox. As I said, it's just 1, 2, 3 layers of kangaroo and then this TPU on top, which is quite pliable. There wouldn't be much protection on it, but as I said, they're meant to be for the racetrack, so theoretically if you come off on a racetrack, say you're in Mondello, you're going to be just sliding off into the kiddie leather, so you wouldn't be hitting walls or anything like that. So they probably could do a little bit better with that, but as I said, it's a really nice glove, very well protected, has the built-in SPS protection, although there's only one and not two. I don't know if RST do a more expensive glove than this, but apparently on their website this is the best glove they actually do. So instead of having the two SPS sliders, it just has the one, and obviously in the event of a crash it's going to make your hand slide. The gloves are CE certified to level 1 KP. Now I know what the CE certified is, but I don't know what the level 1 KP is. I think that's a race standard. It does, as I said, the carbon knuckle protectors and conjoined little fingers. Now this is something that mightn't suit everybody. Some people might like to waggle their fingers and have them a bit, it's like a splint. I had a pair of Alpine Stars 365 gloves a long time ago, and they had this on it, and they were no more a race glove down the man the moon, but the little finger was conjoined like that. It's obviously a safety issue to stop the little finger splitting away or being bent back, but I actually quite like it. Now as I said, these two fingers are a little bit stiffer than these two, but because these are conjoined they feel the same, so it's not as if your fingers feel different. But they're really comfortable, really comfortable glove, and there's two reasons for that. These gloves actually come pre-stretched, which is brilliant, absolutely brilliant. There's nothing worse than getting a set of gloves and having to wear them for 2-3 weeks, breaking them in and making fists and rubbing Chelsea dubbing on them to break the leather down. These actually come pre-stretched and pre-curved, which is huge, like absolutely brilliant. The minute I stuck these on in the shop, I thought they were like, they felt like they were second hand. They felt like someone broke them in for me. So I think all manufacturers should do that, especially with the kangaroo leather, which is a little bit stronger, a little bit more durable. So I don't know if you'll actually see it from this, but if you just hold the glove like that, you can actually see, especially on the middle fingers there, see the way the curve in them already? They're not like flat, pre-stretched and pre-curved. So good to go out of the box. Straight away, stick them on you, happy days. Another thing on these that I wasn't 100% sure on with the Nox, didn't actually say it on the website, but these gloves are waterproof. Now when I say waterproof, they have a waterproof lining. It's just RST's own waterproof lining. It's called Sin Aqua. So if you know your Spanish, sin means no and aqua is water, so it means basically no water. Now would I wear these touring? Hell no. But obviously if you're caught out in the rain, they would do a good job. Now I would have thought they would have been water resistant, but RST says they're waterproof, boys. So RST says they're waterproof. They're waterproof. Yeah, double wrist cuff, but no extra protection on them. I paid 120. No, sorry, these are €120 off the RST website. I got these up in Crossings for 65 quid. So that's the only reason why I bought them. And when I was looking at them in the shop, like, they were very impressive. They are a very impressive glove. For €65, can't go wrong. Now you can get them in 5 colours. So you can get them in just plain black, obviously white and blue, white and red, white and orange, plain black. There's 1 or 2 other colours you can get, but obviously if you're getting them in the bargain basement bin, beggars can't be choosers. They come in sizes from extra small up to 2XL. So should have all the bases covered. But I say I really like them. I really like them. The fact that they're pre-stretched and pre-curved was huge. I don't know any other glove that has the Aramid lining running through the whole lot. Snug fit, as you can see there. I don't know any other glove that has an Aramid lining running through the whole glove. So if you're a bit sporty, or you ride a nice sports bike, or you do the odd track days, I highly recommend them. Would I pay €120 for them? I think I would pay €120 for them. I think they're worth it. Obviously they're not as good as the Nox in protection wise, but then again the Nox is twice the price. So it depends whether you like your gimmicks. If you want the exoskeleton and metacarpal protection, as I said, when you're actually wearing them, the RST feel more secure on the palm, whereas the Nox feel more secure on the wrist. But I think that because these are broken in now, they feel more comfortable. You don't notice. But I have to say, from looking at the fingers, the RST would be a lot denser. So I think that may be 1 to 1.2 millimeter kangaroo leather in these. But however, just a quick review of the RST Tracktech Evo R race gloves. Well worth the money. Thanks for stopping by, guys. I'd like to say a huge thank you for my latest subscribers. I think after that Nox video I got something like 10 or 11 new subscribers, which is huge to a little channel like this. I'm never going to be famous, but if I can help you out with a couple of decisions on gloves and that, all the better. I have a review coming up soon of my Heli Turtle Vest 2 air jacket. And I think I'll also do a review on my Held Air and Dry gloves, and I have a pair of Rika winter gloves as well, so I'll be doing that soon. So thanks for stopping by. If you liked the video, give us a thumbs up. If you didn't like the video, smash that thumbs button twice, and tell your friends and family. Stay safe, lads. Lockdown is coming to an end. Maybe meet you on the road. Thanks a million. Bye bye.